Meet the dazzling Mary Pie, born on April 26, 1994, in the charming town of Riga. Standing at 172 centimeters tall, Mary is a true embodiment of summer's warmth and radiance. A devoted lover of sunny skies and golden beaches, she dreams of living in a warm, tropical paradise all year round. Since her career took off in 2013, Mary has graced the covers of over 250 magazines, becoming a beloved figure in the fashion and entertainment world. Her natural beauty and magnetic presence make her a photographer's dream, while her friendly, down-to-earth personality endears her to fans everywhere. When Mary isn't dazzling in front of the camera, you'll likely find her soaking up the sun, exploring exotic destinations, or simply reveling in the simple joys of summer. A free spirit at heart, she embodies fun, adventure, and an unwavering zest for life, a true muse for all who cross her path.